Applying for unemployment benefits online will be smoother and faster if you have a few essential items at hand. Before you can file an initial claim, you must create a My Benefits account. My Benefits is our online filing system, which is free and easy to use. You will also need your Social Security number, work history from the last 18 months, including your employer's business name, address, and phone numbers, as well as your salary from each employer. If you are not a United States citizen, you will need your alien registration number and documentation. If you have served in the military in the past 18 months, you will need a copy of your DD-214 Member 4 form. If you were a federal civilian employee and your employer provided you with an SF-50 or SF-8, have that form handy. Once you have all the necessary information, you are ready to begin. Before you can file for unemployment benefits online, you must create a My Benefits account. Go to mybenefits.dew.sc.gov and select Create Account. Create a user ID that you can easily remember. Provide your first and last name and email address, and then create a password. If you do not have an email address, you can easily set up a free account with a provider like Gmail. Learn how to do this by watching the video linked on the My Benefits login screen. Then, select an image from the right side of the screen that best reflects you. Provide a security phrase that you can remember in case you are ever locked out of the system. Then click Create Account. Within the next few minutes, My Benefits will send a verification email to the email address you provided. To activate your My Benefits account, you will need to log into your email. And open the message from SCDO Support. Click on the link to verify your email address and complete your account registration. On the validation page, click the Login and proceed to the My Benefits portal link, where you will be prompted to log in using the user ID and password you just created. After your email is verified, you will be prompted to answer 3 security questions. You may pick which questions you want to answer. After you answer all 3 questions, click Save. You will then be redirected to the My Benefits homepage, where you can proceed to file an initial claim for unemployment benefits or file your weekly claim. Once you create a My Benefits account, you are now ready to file an initial claim. Go to mybenefits.dew.sc.gov and log on to the My Benefits portal using your username and password. On the home page, select the link, Apply for Unemployment Benefits. A new window will open. Make sure that you have turned off your pop-up blocker. You will now enter your name, Social Security number, date of birth, and gender. Click Validate. My Benefits will then validate your Social Security number. This may take a few seconds. This tutorial serves as a general outline and may not include every screen that you see during your filing process. Your My Benefits experience will be customized to your specific circumstances. If at any time throughout the filing process you do not have the requested information immediately available, you may choose to save and quit and return to this portal at a later time. Please select the location where you are currently filing from. This could be your home or a library. Now, select the SC Work Center nearest you. If you are filing from outside South Carolina, select Interstate. You will now verify and enter the requested personal information. My Benefits will ask you a series of questions about your personal background, veteran status, health, and school history. Answer all questions marked with a red asterisk and click the Next button to continue. My Benefits will then bring up information about your work history. The portal may automatically generate a list of your previous employers. You must complete the requested information regarding your work history for each employer listed. Do this by clicking Edit to provide further information about your work history. If you have worked within the last 18 months and the employer is not listed, you will need to click Add Employer. If you have not worked in the last 18 months, you do not need to add an employer. Choose Yes for this question as prompted. You will now answer a series of questions about your separation from your most recent employer. My Benefits will then ask you some job registration and job eligibility questions. On this job eligibility question, you will add information about your work schedule at your most recent employer. Click on Add to Schedule, then enter the start times, end times, and the days of the week you previously worked. Next, you will add a schedule explaining the hours and days of the week you are available for work. Continue to answer job eligibility questions as marked. Next, you choose how you would like to receive potential payment. You can select a prepaid debit card or direct deposit. You will also be asked if you would like state or federal income taxes withheld from your potential benefits. If you choose to receive benefits by direct deposit, you must provide your bank name, type of account, routing number, and account number. If you choose to receive benefits by debit card, you must read and agree to the terms of the bank agreement. You have almost completed your filing. Please print this screen, which contains important information about your weekly responsibilities and requirements. If you do not properly follow these requirements and responsibilities, it could result in denial of benefits. By clicking Next, you certify that you have read the information on this page and understand that you are responsible for complying with all requirements for receiving unemployment benefits. Before you finalize and submit your claim, you can print and review the information. If you find an error that you would like to correct, please go back by hitting the Previous button. To finalize your claim, click the Agree box after reading the statement. You will then receive a confirmation number to show that you successfully submitted your claim. While you wait to find out if you are eligible for unemployment benefits, you must file a weekly claim and search for work. This page gives you information about how to file a weekly claim and register for work on SC Works online services. You must register for work within 2 weeks of filing for benefits. Submitting your application should automatically register you for work on SC Works online services. Make sure to read this page to determine your registration status and any further actions needed. Once you have filed an initial claim for unemployment insurance benefits, you are required to file a weekly claim each week thereafter, even while you are waiting to find out if you are eligible. Online weekly claim filing is available to all claimants, whether you are filing on your most recent benefit year or by pay order card. Go to mybenefits.dew.sc.gov, enter your user ID and click Next. Enter your password and click Login. On the home page, select File Your Weekly Claim. You are now ready to file a weekly claim for UI benefits. After reading the information provided, click File Weekly Claim to begin. You will then proceed to answer questions about the week you are filing for. This week ending date is notated on the screen. If you did not earn any income during the week, you may leave that answer blank. However, please note that if you physically worked during the week, you must report your gross earnings, even if you have not yet been paid. Once you have answered all questions, click Submit Your Weekly Claim. The Weekly Benefit Certification Confirmation page verifies that your weekly claim has been successfully accepted for processing. You may then click Log Off or Exit.